look first, then we lift. No rushing.
Observe, mark, secure, lift. Same order every time. Copy.
Good mapping prevents bad handling.
Stop is a tool. Use it early.
Robotics first, humans second.
Holding 1.5 meters off bottom, clean water.
Small protection prevents big failure.
Sling seated, slow tension, take up slow.
Balance equals control. Hold, silt, waiting to clear. Hook remold, clean underside.
Controlled motion is the whole point.
Secure, rinse, label, next.
Clear labels prevent careless hands.
The spar can carry load, the skin cannot. Panel stabilized, ready for rigging. Take up slow. If it can cut a glove, it can cut a sling.
Hold. Clear underside, no drag.
Stopping on time is part of success.
Even torque keeps geometry honest.
No contact, hover only, perfect.
Today is about stable interfaces. No pushing, no bending.
Photo first. Every time.
Clean enough to stabilize, never clean to erase.
EC still high, continue soak cycle.
Consistency is the safest force.
If it lifts, we hold it small, local, quiet.
We stabilize the loss point, not the whole surface.
Even pads, even load, lock.
Marking saves material.
Test with soft first, commit with strong second.
Uniform clicks mean uniform stability.
Support the spar, float the skin. Two millimeters, hold perfect. Here.
Protect the seam. Leave the story visible. No point loads. Only distributed support.
Down one, seat, stop.
We align supports first, parts second.
Tolerance is fine. Don't chase perfection.
Hold.
Stop vibration, stop loss.
Mirror pattern, same force, lock.
Support where it's strong, not where it's visible. Okay.
Torque set, sequence complete.
Protect hands, preserve truth.
Base stable, artifact stays still.
Stabilize before you integrate. Up to, hold, align.
Okay.
If you must force it, you're doing it wrong.
Mirror pattern, lock. Traceability is part of safety.
Only green zones, no red zones.
Stable air equals stable surfaces.
Base first. Artifact benefits automatically.
No friction, no shock, only control.
We train on replicas, so the real object stays untouched.
Same tension, same order, done.
We only recover what we can control, so we come back prepared.
Seams keep salt, salt keeps corrosion alive.
Snag removed. Corridor safe.
We spread the load, no point pressure. The frame does the work, so the metal doesn't have to. Hold, checking contact points. Clean underside, approved. Smooth lift, soft landing, no shocks.
Mirror tension, locked, rinse.
Labels carry the rules forward.
Document first, touch later.
Gentle cleaning, repeatable results.
High EC, extend soak cycles.
Damping is working.
Stable air, stable surfaces.
Floor clean, air stays clean.
Precision photos prevent guesswork.
Clean bench, safe artifact.
Replace small parts before they create big stress.
Marks match, down, stop.
Local treatment, honest surface.
Micro adjustment is macro protection.
Seat, stop, clear.
Stable is the goal, every time.
Uniform motion, uniform results.
Night stability locked.
Final assembly means final discipline, nothing improvised.
Clean floor, clean air, safer artifact.
Damping verified. Excellent.
Okay. Close to read, free to breathe.
Stabilization, not wrong, not operation.
Stable nights protect fragile days.
Stable all night. Perfect.
Same sequence, same outcome, every time.
Design prevents incidents. Okay.
From sea recovery to factory stability.
Final sign off, complete.
We preserved the truth and stopped the decay.
Clear floor. Final set.
Rest is part of preservation.
Routine keeps it safe.
Gentle, uniform, controlled.
Updated. Final state.
The best ending is stability.
Recovered from the sea, stabilized in the factory, assembled with control.
No movement is the best report.
Stable. No new flake trails.
Uniform clicks mean uniform support. Flush, safe, visible.
If the base moves, the artifact shouldn't.
Clean floor, clean air, clean footage.
Stable. Air stable. Leave it.
No CGI, just precision movement.
Okay. Okay. Close enough to read, free enough to protect.
Stability is measurable.
Gentle cycles protect fragile surfaces.
One source of truth, complete.
Stabilized, not operational.